In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export subtitles in Descript. If you've already created your transcript or captions inside Descript, exporting a clean subtitle file is quick and reliable, and I'll walk you through the exact flow so nothing gets missed. Start by opening your project that already has a subtitle or transcript ready. Take a moment to make sure the text looks the way you want it to appear in your final captions. Any edits you make here, like fixing typos, cleaning up speaker labels, or correcting capitalization, will carry directly into the exported file, so this is the best time to tidy things up. Next, click on Export. You'll usually find this in the top right corner of the Descript interface. If your project has multiple compositions, double check that the active composition is the one you want to export from, since the export will follow what's currently selected. In the Export window, choose Transcript. This tells Descript you want a text-based export rather than a rendered audio or video file. The transcript section is where you'll generate files that caption platforms can read, or a text version of your script if that's what you need. Now choose your format. For most video platforms, SRT is the standard and the safest choice. If you're exporting for modern web players or certain learning platforms, VTT can be a great option. If you only need a readable script without timing, pick a text format. When in doubt, check the requirements of the platform where you'll upload the captions. YouTube, Vimeo, and many social platforms prefer SRT. Some web players favor VTT. After selecting the format, configure any other settings offered for your chosen export. Depending on your format, you may see options like including timestamps, keeping or removing speaker names, adjusting line length, or setting a maximum characters per line value. If you're syncing to existing video, a timecode offset field can help you nudge the captions into perfect alignment. Choose settings that match your target platform's guidelines. Shorter lines and fewer characters per line are generally easier to read. When everything looks right, click Export. Descript will package your subtitle or transcript file using the options you selected. Keep an eye on the progress indicator and avoid closing the app or switching projects while it runs. Wait a few seconds for the export to finish. Once it's done, your file will appear in your designated downloads location, ready to upload to your platform of choice or share with your team. And that's all you need to export subtitles from Descript with confidence.